Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm down here by Roaring River State Park. I'm actually going to go through Roaring River State Park and then out the back way just to see, because of the flooding we had here a while back. Haven't been up through there a while, and I wanted to see how much it has flooded or if it washed it out. So we're going to check that out. Plus it's all nice and green. It's greening up. 72 degrees today. Beautiful day for a ride. And I thought just for a quick video while I'm out today, I'll show you guys up through there. Just basically a dirt road. It gets kind of rough, especially after, like I say, a rain when it floods. Don't run over the school bus. We'll go up through the park here. Imagine there's a lot of people fishing today because it's so beautiful out. I need to be fishing myself this evening. What am I doing? Be a good thing to do. There's a red Jeep Gladiator. Yeah, there's a few. It's not actually busy. Man, that water sure is pretty over there. I like it a lot. Check that out. How nice and clean the water is. It's actually, well, it is a little bit milky this time. It's because of all the rain. I did look on, they have a camera, if you go on YouTube, Roaring River State Park, I think, but they have a live cam up here all the time, and you can actually see. So when it's flooding, I actually look, and it was rolling pretty good. You could see from there up here by the dam this way, and it was actually flooding pretty good. But you can't just see everywhere in the park. Beautiful. I wouldn't mind a missile trout. But the camera is up there on that little building. Right up there. I don't know if we can see it or not. Right up there somewhere. Yeah, I see it. It's right up there on that telephone pole. That's where it's at. If you go to Roaring River State Park on YouTube, you can actually see that camera live. They did have two of them. There was one aiming the other way, but I don't know what happened to the other one. Looks like somebody got a KLR down here. We'll go see if they got the road closed. Usually it's not closed even when it's washed out. You just have to be able to navigate through here. And they spend a fortune probably repairing this road every time that happens. Well, right here it don't look bad. A lot of times it washes this rock dam. It has washed some of the rocks out of it, but there is water. See if I can do this without getting my feet down, getting them wet. No problemo. It may not have done much this time, but boy, there's some nice water in there. A lot of times this part up through here is actually dry until we get a rain. It's one of those that, you know, when it rains it floods like crazy, and then boy, as soon as it stops raining it goes down pretty fast. This is just a fun road if you're ever down by Roaring River State Park and you're out on your venture bike or DUALSPORT, to take this road just to look. It's a nice little ride up through here. Sometimes there's some pretty good mud. We shall see here in a little bit, but man, it is really turning green out here. Look at the leaves. There's a lot of big leaves on these trees actually. Another water crossing that is usually dry. Here we go. This is just a fun day to own a DUALSPORT. Oh yeah. Wow. something happened here. So it looks like it didn't wash out, but darn near it. See where it got up here, up against the road? It looks like it's going to be a muddy mess if I ain't careful. Try to stay in the middle here. Yeah, it didn't wash this part out, but usually it does. And this is just the time of year to where we're going to get some more, so it probably will. Because now the ground's all saturated. Anything we get is going to run. I see some tires of a DUALSPORT or venture bike or something, dirt bike. Tire tracks, I should say. If I see tires, there's a problem. Missed a gear. I miss a gear once in a while. Get lazy, I guess, pulling from first to second. Miss. Oh yeah. See, now we're down the creek bed. Is this the road? Used to be up there. Where that tree's laying on it. That used to be the road. We're down in the creek bed here. I think it's been this way quite a while. And they just haven't fixed it. Now we're going to get back up onto where the road is. Look how pretty it is down here with all these rocks. Nice and sunny today, but there's more rain in the forecast. Of course, it's that time of year. Creek is dry. When it's flooding, you darn sure can't go up this road. It's over your head. See, that's the road up there. We're down in the creek bed again. Actually, over here, the road actually used to be over there. And look how high that is. You darn sure wouldn't be down here when it's flooding. I don't care what kind of vehicle you got. Don't run off in there. You could probably do it once. Don't know, but I'm dry. I need a drink of water, and I totally forgot to bring a bottle of water with me. I usually always do. I totally forgot. What in the world washed up in this? Wow, it's rutted out here bad. Look at this. These ruts. It's just a bunch of junk washed up in there, looks like. Maybe a car hood or something over in there? Or a car? But this dude is washed out pretty bad. Just riding through the creek bed pretty much. The dry creek bed. You guys better get out and find some mushrooms if you hunt them. They're gonna be gone for long. I found some. Enough for a good mess. Whoa. Run up on that and put yourself in a world of hurt. There we are. We're heading up out of here. We got her dead. Alright guys, just another short video showing you this road this time of year after a flood, which it actually didn't do a lot of damage, but it is greening up. If you've watched my videos for a long time, I'm sure you've seen me on this road. It's a pretty good little road to ride, especially in nice weather like this. But thank you all for watching. Check out below my Nelson rig link if you want any Nelson rig gear. That's the way to get it. Tank bags, tail bags, rain gear. I pretty much got it all for motorcycles. And if you use my code Woodzman20, you save 20% off. And anything over $50, you get free shipping. So it's a super good deal. But check it out. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Right on.